Hello students, we have already understood that voice are of two types, active voice and passive voice. We have also understood difference between active voice and passive voice. Active voice is in the form of subject plus verb plus object, whereas passive voice is in the form of object plus verb plus subject. Then we have also covered 4 rules. Let us revise it. The object of the active voice becomes subject of the passive voice. While converting from active to passive, verb of third form is used. The preposition by is used before subject, and tenses and types of sentences will remain unchanged. Now let us see how to convert present tense into passive voice. Firstly, simple present tense. How does one pronounce his name? This is an interrogative sentence, so will not change the type of sentence. How will remain same. Then it is in the present simple, so is used. Object is his name. Pronouns is the base form of verb, so will convert into third form, so pronounced. Present continuous. Aati is helping Tara. Aati is subject, verb is helping, and Tara is object, so Tara. Then when you see a present continuous, you always need to add being. Tara's being. Helping will be converted into third form of verb, so helped. Then before subject you need to add by, so by Aati. Present perfect. Kids has served dinner. In present perfect tense, you need to use been after has. Dinner has been served by kid. Present perfect continuous. Whenever there is a perfect continuous, after been you need to add being. The police have been watching that house for weeks. That house has been being. Watching will be converted into third form, that is watched for weeks. Let us see some examples of past tense. Simple past. Sam repaired the car. The car was repaired by Sam. Past continuous. The salesman was helping the customer. The customer was being helped by the salesman. Whenever there is a continuous, you need to add being after was. Past perfect, you need to add been after had. George had repaired many cars. Many cars had been repaired by George. Past perfect continuous. In perfect continuous, you always need to add being after been. Chef Jones had been preparing the restaurant's fantastic dinners. The restaurant's fantastic dinner had been being prepared by Chef Jones. Let us see some examples of future tense. Firstly, simple future. If there is a will, you need to add be after it. Someone will finish the work. by 5 p.m. The work will be finished by 5 p.m. If simple future is be going to, will add be after to. Sally is going to make a beautiful dinner tonight. A beautiful dinner is going to be made by Sally tonight. Then future continuous. If there's a will, you need to add being after be. At 8 p.m. tonight, John will be washing the dishes. At 8 p.m. tonight, the dishes will be being washed by John. Then future continuous. If there is be going to, you need to add being after be. At 8 p.m. tonight, John is going to be washing the dishes. At 8 p.m. tonight, the dishes are going to be being washed by John.